So let me guess, you are a boudoir photographer that wants to learn how to do video. Maybe you're noticing your engagement has slowly declined ever since social media started to prioritize video content. Maybe you started researching on how to get started with boudoir video, but you've noticed that there is not a lot of content about it online. You may have even attempted to learn everything, but you got so overwhelmed that you could not get your videos the way you wanted them to look. I'm going to be teaching you guys 4 different tips that have helped me get started on becoming a boudoir videographer. And I'm also going to be giving you the link to my free training video on boudoir videography and a special discount for my course. My name is Anna and this is my first ever YouTube video. I am a boudoir photographer and videographer and a self-love advocate. I'll be coming out with videos every Tuesday. The main reason I made this channel was because there wasn't a lot of video out there aiming to help beginner boudoir videographers get started. And I totally get it because trying to learn something that's hard to research can be so discouraging. So let's go ahead and get into the first tip. Tip number 1 is to start shooting video with your phone. The most important thing to remember when you're learning a new skill is to try to reduce the friction as much as possible. If you're hesitant because you think you have to buy the most expensive camera or editing software, just simply use your phone and download free editing software. You can literally make some fire content with your phone. Smartphone cameras nowadays have amazing quality, so there's no excuse for you to delay your boudoir video journey. As a matter of fact, here's an example video shot on an iPhone by one of the students in my course. Tip number 2 is to start editing. There are several editing softwares that are either free or have free trials that you can take advantage of. For example, iMovie for Apple users is absolutely free, and for PC users, there is DaVinci Resolve as well. I personally use Final Cut Pro X. However, all editing softwares essentially do the same thing. Tip number 3 is to get out of your own way. The reality of trying something new can be intimidating and fearful, but we cannot allow fear to stop us from growing into the best version of ourselves. I wasn't always shooting boudoir videos and editing like how I currently do. Before my video journey, I was filled with self-doubt and wasn't even confident that I could actually learn how to become a videographer. But luckily, with the support of my fiance, I just finally said, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. I had to have a willingness to learn and truly believe that I can make this happen. I started my video journey 4 years ago making cinematic travel videos and watched tutorials on how to use Final Cut Pro. The key here is to just start shooting. Learn the basics of your camera, which I will be making another video about soon, but for now, just shoot. In the beginning, it doesn't have to just be boudoir. For example, you could get a video of your dog just playing with his toy and just get a variety of different shots. Once you're done, import them to your computer and edit them using your software of choice. Tip number 4 is don't compare yourself to other people. Nobody is a master when they first start out with something new. Even those badass videographers that you see on social media. It took me several months shooting and editing wedding videos to truly harness the power of video editing. Practice every day and give yourself little goals to focus on, and within just 1 week, you can see a massive improvement. Say for example, today is Monday and you're officially starting your video journey. Set a goal for yourself to practice on your camera and learn your settings 1 hour each day. Like I said before, this doesn't have to be a boudoir client right away. All that matters is just getting up and practicing. And I promise you, with enough practice and willingness to learn, you will be a master in no time. Those are all the tips that I have for you guys. I know there's videos on YouTube telling you one thing and then you watch another one and it just totally contradicts what that previous video says. it can get really confusing and discouraging you from even starting your journey. Also, there isn't a lot of videos on YouTube discussing boudoir video, which is why my fiance and I actually created an entire online course that teaches you every step of the way. If you're interested in learning more about our course, you can visit our website and subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting a lot more content that will help you on your booty video journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon.